Hi guys. Wix and Weebly are two of the most popular website builders today. But which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Wix and Weebly, and we'll consider 5 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We'll leave the link in the description, and you can use it. You can start with a free version, and if you like it more, you can upgrade risk-free. And thank you for using the links in the description. So, let's find out which is better for you. For the ease of use, Weebly and Wix prioritize ease of use for their users. Weebly offers over 50 design templates, while Wix has a whopping 800 plus options. While having more design choices can be advantageous if you're looking for a specific look for your site, it can also be a little overwhelming for first-time website builders. Wix has an artificial design intelligence platform that assists users in website development. With this, users answer a few questions about their site's purpose and design preferences, and the AI creates a website for them. If desired, users can then further customize their site to meet their specific needs. On the other hand, Weebly doesn't have an artificial design intelligence, but it has a structured drag-and-drop editor that controls where and how content appears on the website. The advantage of Weebly's grid design is that users can create a professional-looking site with ease, even without design expertise. Wix's gridless editor allows for greater design flexibility, but it can be difficult for those without graphic design skills to control. And for the pricing, Wix offers a range of pricing plans starting from the most basic plan, Connect Domain, to the most advanced, Business VIP. The Connect Domain plan is the most affordable option, costing just $4.50 per month, but it's limited in features and displays Wix branding on your site. The combo plan is ideal for personal use and costs $8.50 per month, while the unlimited plan is a good option for entrepreneurs and freelancers and costs $12.50 a month. Finally, the VIP plan is the most advanced regular website plan and costs $24.50 per month. For those who want to create an online store, Wix also offers 3 pricing plans: Business Basic, Business Unlimited, and Business VIP. These plans offer all the features of the regular website plans, along with additional e-commerce features such as online payment processing and inventory management. The Business Basic plan costs $17 a month and is suitable for those who are just starting with e-commerce. The Business Unlimited plan costs $25 a month and offers more storage and features, making it ideal for growing businesses. The Business VIP plan is the most advanced e-commerce plan, costing $35 a month and offers priority support and additional features such as automated sales tax calculation. Overall, Wix's pricing plans are affordable and flexible, catering to different needs and budgets. It's important to choose a plan that best suits your needs and goals to get the most value out of Wix's platform. Now, let's take a look at Weebly's pricing plans. Weebly offers a free plan, but it does display Weebly ads on your site. If you want to connect a custom domain, the personal plan is a good option and costs $10 per month if billed annually, or $13 month to month. The professional plan is ideal for those who want more customizable options and costs $12 per user if billed annually, or $16 month to month. Finally, the performance plan is the most advanced plan and costs $26 per month if billed annually, or $29 month to month. Overall, both Wix and Weebly offer affordable and flexible pricing plans that cater to different needs and budgets. And for the website backup options, Wix offers you the flexibility to perform backups as often as you need, and restoring your website from a backup is a breeze with a simple DIY process. The only challenge here is to make sure you remember to conduct backups regularly. Weebly, on the other hand, allows you to export your site to a zip file and store it locally as a safeguard. But here's the catch. This file isn't restorable, and it's only useful when you decide to relocate your site. Also, the exported file doesn't include blog and store pages, as they rely on the Weebly database. Now, suppose you encounter any errors or problems on your Weebly site. In that case, unfortunately, you can't immediately revert to a previous version by yourself. You have to rely on Weebly support to restore your website, and that can lead to extended downtime, as you're not in control of when support will be available. That said, Wix provides an automatic backup option to give you some added peace of mind. And for the marketing, having an attractive website is an important first step, but it's just the beginning when it comes to building a successful online presence. To truly engage your audience and drive traffic, you need to implement effective marketing strategies. Luckily, both Wix and Weebly offer powerful built-in marketing tools that can help you achieve your goals. One of the most useful marketing features offered by Weebly is Weebly Promote. This tool allows you to create and integrate email campaigns directly with your website, so you can easily build your email list and communicate with your subscribers. With Weebly Promote, you can customize your emails using drag and drop tools, track your email metrics, and more. Sending out targeted and engaging emails is a proven way to attract repeat business and increase customer loyalty. Wix Shoutout is another great option for email marketing. With this tool, you can easily send out emails or share content through social media channels. Wix Shoutout provides you with customizable professional templates to choose from and allows you to track your engagement metrics and integrate contact forms. Whether you're just starting out with email marketing or you're an experienced marketer looking for a more streamlined solution, Wix Shoutout is a smart and stress-free option. And for the market apps, when you're considering which website builder to choose, it's important to take a look at the available apps as well. Apps can enhance the functionality of your website and fill in any gaps left by the built-in features. Weebly offers an impressive range of over 300 apps in their App Center, with more than 50 of them being completely free. They're consistently adding new apps, and you can even submit your own ideas for new ones. So if you're looking for a specific feature, there's a good chance you'll find an app to meet your needs. Wix also has a great selection of apps in their market, with over 500 to choose from e-commerce tools like Wix stores to social features such as Facebook comments. There's no shortage of options to add functionality to your site, and best of all, the Wix apps are all well developed and provide high quality functionality. So choosing between Wix and Weebly depends on your business and your needs. Both website builders come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best solution. It will depend on your current needs. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description and that helps a lot. Thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, please leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye for now.